Hey, a good day starts with pancakes. Today I will show you how I do my favorite pancakes. Very low calorie, fast and easy to do. So here we go. We need 3 egg whites, half banana, 1 spoon of peanut butter, and cinnamon. Just to taste. And we will mix that together. Okay, let's see. Smells lovely. Okay, 3, whoa! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Lovely! Okay, that's not ready yet. Okay, give a moment. So this is my version of my favorite pancakes. Keep calm and eat pancakes! Happy Pancake Day! Bye for now!